you. Whether you're young or legendary, whether you're a skeptic or not, whether you're gathered somewhere with lots or at home with few, Christmas can always be made special. I hope Christmas brought extra warmth to your heart and mug and made your happiness grow 3 sizes. I'm Ashley Camber, and welcome to my channel. Last year, I implemented some post-holiday organizing techniques I hoped would be helpful to share with you this year. Every new year ushers in hope for growth and improvement. 5, 4. Here are my storage solutions for the following categories: holiday decor, wrapping paper, and holiday craft. Further, if you're always wondering what is in your bins and you're a nerd like me who likes to label things, you may enjoy the labeling storage solution I came up with. Let's get crack-a-lacking! Here are some tweaks that may inspire you when it comes to organizing your holiday home decor. First off, it's extremely helpful to group like items. Simply select a bin that is going to be able to house the exact amount of items that you have in that category. I enjoyed micro-organizing last year and look forward to it this year because it means that I get to break down my categories into smaller chunks. I selected $1 bins from the dollar store, and then I organized again by type. So you can see I grouped like items, and then I have these smaller bins that are separated and can be stacked, and when I go to take them out, I will have everything in that category to be able to decorate the tree. For example, if you're going to put your picks in before or after another step, you just grab your picks and away you go. When it comes to wrapping paper storage, I was really eager to implement this new solution, so I ordered this bag, and since this has convenient handles, I was able to take it from one level of the house to another, depending on my wrapping needs at the time. Then if you've never had a solution to organize your to and from labels, or maybe little bows or scraps that you like to put on top of your gift wrap, consider organizers from Dollar Tree. They come in a variety of colors, so that can make it kind of fun to sort based on the holiday as well. Perhaps you're looking for an organizing solution that doesn't put your items on display. If you don't like opting for clear bins, you could use an opaque bin and then put a label on it, but you're still going to wonder what's in there, am I right? The contents are critical. That's why I decided I would get super anal retentive and make an Excel spreadsheet of everything that I have in a bin, make a QR code for it, add it to a label, and then print that out. Over and over, I repeated this process, and then I'm able to just hold up my phone to the label and it will tell me everything that's in the bin because I have it linked out to that spreadsheet. I know it's very time consuming and it seems a bit over the top, but I found it to be incredibly helpful, especially because I like to do crafts months before the holiday comes, and so then I can look ahead and see what do I have in the bin and what would I like to procure for it, and without having to get a step stool or something to pull down my items. Nobody wants to have to rifle through a bunch of items just to find one thing, and you don't want to buy a bunch of duplicates. I would so love to hear from you. If there's something on this list that you found inspiring, feel free to let me know. Or if you find something, maybe a little bit too much work, that's helpful feedback too. Share in the comments. Thanks! When I was growing up, my Grandma Helen always had the most stunning Christmas trees. She started decorating months in advance, selected fine glass ornaments to strategically place amongst her matching sets of bulbs, carefully dressed presents in coordinating premium wrapping paper, and handmade gorgeous bows. And of course, she hung the personalized stockings with care. She meticulously curated collections and even hired help to set up her various Christmas scenes and numerous festive trees around the house. Not to mention her gorgeous Christmas light displays in her yard. On my wedding registry, I made sure to register for some gorgeous ornaments I knew Grandma Helen would love. In fact, they would have been ones she would have picked out herself. She made this beautiful Christmas wreath for me to match the ornaments that I had chosen, and we had the wreath and the Christmas tree all matchy-matchy for years before we had kids. And then it just seemed like it was time for a change. I always dreamed of doing Christmas just like her, so it's been a helpful experiment in imperfection to opt for a hodgepodge of ornaments and styles for the holidays last year and this year. I never envisioned such a kitschy Christmas tree, and before kids, I wasn't keen on collected ornaments over time. But now I embrace the charm. Whether the decor is dramatic or cutesy, personalized or polished, holidays are about the memories and the people you make them with.
Right, we're getting holes in it.
Okay, we'll get you up there,
You're
honey.
doing perfect. That's exactly what I need. Keep going. Crank it. Your speed is the perfect speed. Go.
Whatever the occasion, I hope you find yourself tidying up after a holiday chock full of memories to tuck away with your keepsakes. To many more memorable holidays, wishing you and yours a happy year ahead.
Too much brownie.
These are not brownies.
These are not brownies like her.
Baker made a little bow tie.
Nice. That's cute.
I rolled it on both sides and tied them in the middle. I'm just kidding.
XO, Ashley Camber.
I have a mild obsession with turquoise.
I love unicorns.
Oh, I love unicorns too. Should we play?
I like
Okay, ready?
This is how
Go.
I'm Sparky.
Just like the olden days.
Coming up.
These are things that you can use in any space as long as it suits your preference, but these can have an incredible wow factor, and they're so much fun too.
Okay, are we ready to turn them on?
I am so excited to share with you my glam DIYs that I worked on for my master closet. These can have an incredible wow factor, and they're so much fun too. Okay, speaking of experiments, how about this for a makeshift belt? It's a necklace in the front and a face mask. This is Experiments in Imperfection, where I welcome you into my life space.
Guess what? It's time to say goodbye to Mommy Sleepy Santa.
Goodbye, mommy. Goodbye, mommy. Goodbye, mommy. I made these.
Way to go, dude.
Smushed them.
Oh, look at it.
Another bow tie.
Nice. Another bow tie.
Hey, Dad, like my little itty bitty bow tie?
Here we go.
Oh, can we use that? Are we technically just making
Yes.
dough art? Are we gonna make that for
That's what I
class
thought, bud.
or what?
Yep,
Dough
this
art.
is for the, yep.
Dough art. You get to eat it. And all you can eat dough art. Just,
Yes.
are we making lots of couplets?
All you can make, all you can eat.
Ravioli. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth with the Milano smooth touch. Keep going, you're almost there. Whoa,
Like my dough, like my bow tie.
You do.
Alright, see you guys. Right, thanks for your help.
If you like it, subscribe and stay tuned. No, seriously. Thanks for watching.
XO, Ashley Camber.